welcome to Chief Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what is walnut ink anyway. And as your personal shopper here at Chief Joe's, I wanted to let you know a little bit about a product that you may have just flipped right by in the catalog and not paid much attention to at all. So got a little history lesson. For generations, aspiring artists have looked up to the sketches and studies of the old masters, the Renaissance artists and stuff like that. And so for a long time, they just absolutely aspired to understand and commune with the art material that those great artists would use. And for a long time, they were searching out for the perfect brown ink that you would see on the pages of Leonardo da Vinci's sketchbook and stuff like this. Much to their surprise to find out that it was just that centuries ago they were using inks that weren't necessarily light fast, and that they weren't using brown ink. It just was black ink that faded and then it became brown. But for many years people were using walnut ink in an art capacity. And they were making it out of the green husky part on the inside of the walnut. And it is extremely staining, so much so that in many Romani countries they actually would stain the hands of thieves to let people know to watch out for them, because that stuff is really staining. It's worse than henna and stays on there for weeks and weeks. But what they also found is, in conjunction with using traditional walnut ink made from walnuts, is it's also highly acidic, and that it would affect the paper quickly and cause it to crack and all that kind of bad stuff. But now there's new formulations that are acid-free and water-based and really great. If you haven't tried them, walnut inks are really fun because they have a rich warmth about them. But because they're water-based, they layer much like an India ink. So you can use them with a brush or a calligrapher's pen, or any of those kinds of tools. We do carry 2 different kinds. We have a Daniel Smith, which is about $7.20, and it's a 2-ounce bottle. We also carry Tom Norton, which is $7.99 for a 2.6. So if you haven't taken a look at it and you are a drawing, sketching, painting nerd like myself, this is something that you have to give it a try. For a couple of bucks, it is a wonderful little treat for yourself. So if you hadn't thought about it before, take a look at walnut ink. We are sure you will enjoy.